Class 9 Chemistry, Chapter 8 Atmospheric Pollution. Good morning, students. Today we will see question answers of exercise 8A. It is on page number 131. So first question is, define the following pollution. So you note down the definition of pollution. It is the contaminant into the natural environment that has harmful effect. Okay, the spelling of contaminant is CONTAMINANT, contaminant. Now pollutant. You come to page number 128. Here you can see the last left hand column paragraph. Toxic and otherwise harmful substances that have an undesirable impact on different components of the environment and life forms are known as pollutants. Then air pollution. You note down. It is the gaseous contaminant into the atmosphere that has harmful effect. So it is very much similar to the pollution. Question 2. Name any 4 gaseous pollutants. So there are so many gaseous pollutants. You can name sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, then nitrogen monoxide, nitrogen dioxide. So many gases are there. So any 4 you can write over there. Then question 3. Name the compounds of sulfur that cause air pollution. Also state their harmful effects. So the sulfur compounds are sulfur dioxide, sulfur trioxide, and hydrogen sulfide. Now regarding their harmful effects, you come to page number 130. So here you can see harmful effects of oxides of sulfur, that is, which are the oxides of sulfur? Sulfur dioxide and sulfur trioxide. So their harmful effects: it causes headache, vomiting, and even death due to respiratory failure. So this is your one point. And one more point you add. This is your this one. Okay, it is oxidized by atmospheric oxygen into sulfur trioxide, which combines with water to form sulfuric acid, and this sulfuric acid is the cause of acid rain. So this is also a harmful effect of the sulfur dioxide, or oxides of sulfur, you can simply say. Okay, up to here. So only 2 points you write over here as the answer. Then again you see harmful effect of hydrogen sulfide. So from here to here, this is a bad effect or harmful effect of hydrogen sulfide. Okay, so these 3 lines you need to write over here. Then question number 4, state natural source of air pollution and then man-made source of air pollution. So its answer you can find on page number 128. So only the sources you need to write: volcanoes, then decaying vegetation, and these complete sentences you need to write. Here you can write only the sources, that is volcanoes, then decaying vegetation, then forest fire release poisonous gas carbon monoxide, winds and dust storms carry particulate matter like sand and dust. Then come to this man-made sources of air pollutants. So here you note down these complete 3 points, that means from here till this involved. That will be enough. Then question 5a, how do oxides of nitrogen enter the atmosphere? And then B part is, what are their harmful effects? So come to page number 129, and regarding the A part, 5a part, you write this paragraph up to here, and then this paragraph up to here, and you also write this reaction. Okay, so this first 4 lines, and then nitric oxide is formed by the reaction between atmospheric nitrogen and oxygen in the presence of electric discharge, which happens during thunderstorms when there is lightning. This one and this reaction you also mention. Okay, then for the 5b part, you note down the harmful effects, this one first point, second point, and this third point. These 1 2 3 points you can write. Then question number 6 is state the origin and health impact of smog. So for this you come to page number 129, and here you can see this box. So that complete box you need to copy, okay, up to here, from a pollutant to smog. And then regarding the ill effects of smog, you can write from here to here. Okay, so in all you need to write from here to here, suffocation. Then question 7, what are the harmful effects of oxides of sulfur? So the answer is on page number 130, and this time you need to write all the 4 points. The 3 points harmful effects of oxides of sulfur, 3 points on the left hand column, and 1 point is given right hand column, top one. Okay, up to sulfuric acid. The reactions you can see now, up to sulfuric acid, up to here you need to write. Then question 9, give the mechanism of the action of carbon monoxide. And then come to page number 130, and for this you start writing the answer from here. If inhaled, it passes through the lungs directly into the bloodstream. Then there it combines with hemoglobin, the substance that carries oxygen to body tissues. Because hemoglobin binds with carbon monoxide about 200 times more strongly than oxygen, up to here. No, you write the sentence completely. Even low concentrations of carbon monoxide in air have a magnified effects on the body. It reduces the oxygen carrying capacity of blood by an amount equivalent to the amount of hemoglobin converted into carboxyhemoglobin. So this reaction, and since heart and brain are the 2 tissues most sensitive to oxygen depletion, they show the most serious effect of carbon monoxide exposure. In high concentration, carbon monoxide may thus kill by paralyzing normal brain action. So students, you need to write from here till here. Okay, from if inhaled to brain action, and this reaction you will also write. Okay, now question 10, how can we control carbon monoxide poisoning? Then for this answer again come to page number 130. So this first part, that is A part, by switching over from internal combustion engines to electrically powered cars. This will be your first point. Then the second point will be many pollution control devices are now installed in cars. Most of these devices help reduce pollution by burning gasoline completely. This can be your second point. Okay, then for third point you come to page number 131. By using substitute fuels for gasoline such as CNG and LNG or LPG, we can also state. So the third point will be, I'm just dictating you, the third point will be by using substitute fuels for gasoline such as CNG and LPG. Here it has been mentioned as LNG. You can also write it to be the LPG. So students, I have told you the answers, and now you need to write all these answers in your homework copy. Okay, so this is all for today. Goodbye.